Okay, so Tesla stock is showing a pretty powerful bullish reversal pattern today, indicating that yes, this could be a bottom. In my opinion, this looks very promising. However, we should still be careful as there are many resistance levels around here and the gap at 146 is still haunting us. We could still drop just to close it. Therefore, in this video, I will explain in detail what is causing Tesla stock to rise today, what are the next resistance levels that we should watch from here, and of course, what could go wrong and cause it to fall again to close our gap. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, it is very nice to meet you guys, and in this video, I have good news, right? Or at least bullish news, because I see that some of you guys are complaining that I only bring bad news in this channel, right? I am constantly talking about how Tesla is bearish, it is crashing, there is no bullish reversal pattern over here. Well, now we see a bullish reversal pattern, so I have good news. I have bad news as well, but I have good news. And let's talk about good news first, for a change. In the daily chart, we are doing a classic piercing line candlestick pattern, which is a particularly powerful bullish reversal candlestick pattern. Honestly, I would be much happier if this pattern appeared after filling this gap at 146, around this area down here. Because right now, it feels like we are in a no man's land, or at least that we found a support at 154, 155 area, up here, this red line, and this is it. I wasn't counting on this support area. I was really expecting that we were going to fill this gap over here, but okay, Tesla found a support above the 155. It is doing a piercing line candlestick pattern. Great. Okay, this is just great. It is doing a bullish reversal pattern. What's more, this is not the only good news that I have to offer in this video. If we take a look at the Nasdaq index tech stocks, because guys, Tesla is not gonna fly again unless if we see the broad market going up as well. In the lack of domestic catalysts, Tesla is not gonna fly again. We just reported earnings, so it feels like right now Tesla is just going to follow the broad market. It is going just to follow the sentiment over here. And tech stocks are doing an insane reaction right now. Yesterday, we did a homing pigeon candlestick pattern, and today we triggered this pattern. We are breaking the 21 EMA. The trend is still bearish, and 2 days ago we did a false breakout from the 12.8K. We did a false trigger of this double top chart pattern over here, and this is a very frustrating situation for the bears, because those who shorted over here in this area expecting to see the Nasdaq index drop into lower levels, well, they are getting squeezed nicely right now today. If we take a look at the S&P index, the S&P also did a false breakout from this support line at 47.8. Right now, we are doing a fantastic, immense, monster, powerful, bullish reaction, which to me seems to be an above the stomach candlestick pattern. And right now, we are just flying. We are just resuming the bullish sentiment. We are above the 21 EMA again. So all of this just reinforces the bullish sentiment in Tesla stock. And Tesla is going up nicely right now. What's the problem? Well, the problem is that we have yet to see confirmation. Because seeing bullish candlestick patterns is one thing. Now seeing confirmation is a completely different thing. For instance, let me give you guys an example. Here, in this day, Tesla did a quite nice hammer slash doji candlestick pattern, which could be a harami candlestick pattern as well, just above the support at 164 over here. This was looking quite promising. What's the problem? Well, the problem is that Tesla couldn't break this hammer's high over here. Okay, but in the following day, it did another hammer, right? We did another hammer over here, great. But Tesla failed in breaking this hammer's high as well. Therefore, the trend failed in reversing, and no bullish thesis was triggered after all. So this is the problem. We see a bullish pattern over here, good. But we gotta see the confirmation. We gotta see Tesla breaking this piercing line's high over here, or at least breaking the 164 line again. Because if Tesla does break the 164, preferably tomorrow, we're gonna see a false breakout in the weekly chart of this support line over here at 164. So this is gonna be very, very important to see. In addition, Tesla has a decent chance right now of doing a hammer candlestick pattern in the weekly chart. So yes, we have some good news. However, Tesla has yet to break a few key resistance lines over here in order to confirm, in order to actually materialize a bullish rally over here. Now, what's the bad? The bad is that Tesla is in a bear trend. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, in the 1 hour chart, wow, let me erase this. In the 1 hour chart, we are still bearish. Okay, we are trying to break the 21 EMA over here. Great. This is the first step in order to reverse the trend. However, we don't see higher highs, higher lows in Tesla yet. We only see lower highs, lower lows, right? We don't see Tesla doing an actual confirmation of a bull trend over here by doing this. If Tesla starts doing higher highs, higher lows, great. We see a technical reversal pattern in the 1 hour chart over here. In the daily chart, we are very, very far away from doing higher highs, higher lows. In fact, we are just doing lower highs, lower lows. And in theory, if Tesla does a rally, it has a first resistance at 164, which I already told you guys. It is a critical key point over here because only by breaking this key point, Tesla is going to do a false breakout from this support level in the weekly chart, preferably. What's more, even if we break the 164 line, we still have the 21 EMA. We are still below the 21 EMA, and we still have the 176 support line over here working. These two lines are working as a dual resistance level in Tesla. So it is not going to be easy to actually reverse the trend. And any bounce to these areas could be just a bounce. Because if we see any top signal over here, that could be just another sell signal in Tesla. We still could drop to lower levels and fill this gap. So the situation is still very delicate. I'm not saying that Tesla can't go up, we can't bounce again. No, we can. And honestly, I think we're gonna bounce. But we just need to see, first, confirmation. Second, the breakout of this support line. And third, we will have to face a very strong resistance area around the 170s over here, near the 21 EMA in the weekly chart. In addition to all of this, Tesla would still be trapped inside a descending triangle in the weekly chart. So Tesla is not going to turn really insanely bullish yet, even if we see a bounce to higher levels from here, even if Tesla confirms a bottom in the daily chart. But of course, we can take advantage of any upside movement over here. Therefore, if you want to have access to exclusive strategies on Tesla and on other stocks, remember to take a look at my website, join the top 5% family, the link is in the description of this video. Oh, and before I forget, remember to follow me on Instagram. I'm posting exclusive content there, and I also share some of my daily life here in Brazil, so if you like, give me a follow. Now, to me, it all depends on how the indices are going to react from here. So far, Nasdaq is just flying. We are about to retest our resistance area over here again, and then we'll see if this is just a dead cat bounce or not. The S&P is doing a phenomenal reaction. To me, we are going to retest again the 4170s area up here, and then we'll see if we're going to trigger another bullish pivot point or not. If we don't, okay, possibly Tesla is going to just bounce, doing a dead cat bounce over here, just to drop and fill our gap at 146. If not, well, Tesla has plenty of upside potential left. So let's keep our eyes open at the indices and on the key points I just mentioned in this video. And hey, if you're still watching this video and you are not my subscriber, would you please consider subscribing? Because I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on Tesla stock and on other stocks as well. Click on the like button to support me. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.